It is 2 p.m. It's 2 p.m. and I've just woken up. I mean, it's not like we've got anywhere to go. So half of the day is gone. I don't know what I'm doing today. Whoa. Why am I still yawning? Anyway, on to the next clip. Whatever I'm doing. Am I gonna be doing my makeup today? Even though I have no idea what I'm doing yet. Yeah. I think I am. Oh Jesus, look at that. Whoa. That's crazy. If I brush this out, I'm going to look like Hermione Granger. I think I need to like wave it at the ends because it looks a bit silly. Why am I just doing this? Anyway, I have my cup of tea. That's literally the first thing I do in the morning. It's not the morning. It is not the morning. It's like, it's the afternoon. I'm not happy with myself because I've got up late. I got up at like 11 o'clock and then I fell back to sleep, so that's fun. I'm not gonna go and do something crazy with my face, like makeup. I'm not gonna do something crazy because there's a piece of hair just dangling. It's from a hairbrush. Anyway, I get distracted easily. I'm not gonna do anything crazy with my makeup, is what I'm trying to say. This is a must, eyelash curler. I've been really liking this eyeshadow palette at the moment. I don't know, I think this eyeshadow palette is like really old. I'm surprised I haven't got pink eye from it. Anyway, it was my mascara. I really need a new mascara because this one's not good. Just waiting for this to heat up so I can, you know, crimp the ends because it's just like straight at the bottom from where they've been in plaits. And you probably can't hear me because I have such a quiet voice. Come on. I have got all day. I just need to go to Asda and get some, Jesus Christ, I forgot what it's called. Milk. Need to get some milk. And I'm fancying like, I don't know why, but I'm fancying a chicken salad. And we don't have any, there's only one way that I can eat like a not lettuce, but like, I don't know, leaves. I call them leaves, like spinach and like rocket salad. There's only one way I can eat that, and that's if it's like covered in dressing. So I need to go over and get some of that. And I like those croutons. They're like, some people put them in like soup and they expand, but I just like eating them as they are. I like the garlic ones, the garlic and herb ones. You just chuck it in with your salad. Yeah, I usually add potatoes, chicken, tomato, cucumber, and then the leaves, and then beetroot if I'm feeling it. And then I chuck the croutons in. Sometimes I do add a bit of cheese. It's just a mix of everything. It's just a good balanced meal. There was a time where I was eating that literally every single day and I would get really bad headaches, so I just stopped. Eating too healthy is bad for me. Like, it is not good for you. You need some sort of balance. So that's why you see me eating like processed foods, and I shouldn't do that. But you know, I don't order McDonald's, so I'll just have a Chicago Town pizza and whack it in the microwave for 3 minutes. It's a lot cheaper than getting McDonald's. Okay, this should be heated up by now. So what I'm gonna do, just hold it there for a second. There we go. Problem solved. Are there any bits I've missed out? It's so much easier than like having to do your whole head. Just put your hair in plaits. Like when you wash it, like half dry it and then put it into plaits and then sleep in it, and then you can just unravel them for the whole day, and then you can redo it. You can plait them before you go to bed. And then this is how the result has turned out to be. Like, I haven't had to use any heat up here. I'm not gonna lie, this thing does smell like it's burning your hair. Yeah, I think. Also, if there's anyone that's watching this that likes to work out and stuff, and you're not feeling motivated, for some reason when I watch Megan Grubb's videos, she just motivates me to work out. Like, she doesn't even have to do anything. I think it's because she's such, I don't know, something about watching her videos, it just motivates me to do things. So you should follow people that motivate you. Don't follow people that are not gonna motivate you, because like, what's the point? And also unfollow people that just like make you feel like shit. Like, everyone is in different chapters of their life. Not everyone is going to be at the same stage in life. Like, I am almost 26 and I'm still living with my mum. So yeah. There we go. Didn't take me long, did it? nails are finished. I'm not gonna bother getting dressed up in some fancy clothes because I'm not trying to impress anyone. Oh wow, this looks awful without a light. That didn't help much, but pretty much the same look as the other day. Why am I looking over there? I should be looking there. Am I doing this right? Am I? I don't know. This clip is like 7 minutes long, so I need to stop. It's 3:15 and I'm literally just going over Asda so that I can make a chicken salad for dinner. I'm having lunch. It's probably not going to be done till 4 p.m. again. Like some days I'll wake up early and it'll be good, and then some days like today I wake up late and that's not great. Did that just rhyme? Anyway, yeah, let's get the chicken salad stuff. I got the goods, got the chicken salad stuff. I'm gonna go make that, eat it, and then let my food go down for a bit, and then I'm gonna take George out. I don't know if you can see this, but you can kind of see the moon. Hang on. Can you see that? That's the moon. You can't really see it, but yeah. That's the moon. And it won't focus. Anyway, I'm gonna go.
I use Thousand Island dressing, and you're probably thinking, oh, why are you using dressing? It adds so many calories. That's the point, because I don't eat many calories during the day, so this adds calories to my intake. Why am I acting like I'm some sort of fitness and nutrition professional? I'm not. So I just spray a shit ton in there. I just pour it in there. And then shut the lid. And then you shake it like that. There we go. And then bingo. Then I'll have my beetroot and chicken and, oh, where are they? These are things I want to buy. Croutons. This video is going to be like 20 minutes long. Anyway, yeah, I've got to wait for my chicken to cook. And then I've got to have my beetroot and my croutons, so yeah, bye.
This is the finished product. Tell me that doesn't look amazing. Wow, look at the burns on my... Anyway, that looks so nice. Anyway. This is going to be the end of the vlog because I've got way too much footage. See you tomorrow.